Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ktem College long ka khot admission ha ki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban deb khap mania fila ban call ha kini kinam
U Vice President jongga India u Jagdeep Dhankar ulayaro yu Menteri Rang Badu Kari u Narendra Modi dakaba ong baka Operation Sindur kalong tik kumbale ka United States Hagapor bakalit siat yam yaw Osama bin Laden house nem arajar Khyrwit ha Abbottabad Pakistan. Ulakren yakani haga annual convocation of Jaipuria Institute of Management ha Bharat Mandapam. Ulaong bahagapor bagi sipay jong ka US ki rung ha Pakistan. Kim simlapan mansaw ay yakiriw pa ni jingdon jing jong ka Pakistan. Henry kila Khyrwit bay tik tang ha ka Ktem bari u bin Laden. Ka India ru ulaong bakalale kumju bat kam simlakta ay yak jingdon jing jong ka Pakistan. Henry ka Khyrwit bay tik tang ha ka Ktem gi Lehnoh. Shushu ulapan kan mau baka ay gabaw Modi ulakren ha Bihar. Kam simday Tanzania, nray ulapan iru daka kam, bat menta ka partay galayo iya ka jingla jong ka India.
Since I am addressing youth of the country in particular, my salutations to our armed forces and visionary leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi for remarkable success of ongoing Sindur operation. It was a remarkable retaliation befitting our ethos of peace and tranquility to the barbarity that happened on April 22 Pahalgam, deadliest attack on our civilians since 2008 Mumbai attacks. The Prime Minister of the country, Shri Narendra Modi, sent a message from India's heartland, Bihar, to the entire global fraternity. Those were not empty words. The world has now realized what he said is a reality. In the mechanics of war and fight against terrorism, a new benchmark has been set. Indian armed forces targeted Jaish-e-Mohammed at Bahawalpur, deep inside Pakistan territory, beyond international border, headquarters of Jaish-e-Mohammed, also Lashkar-e-Taiba's base, Muridke. No one is asking for proof now. No one is asking for it. The world has seen, acknowledged, and we have seen this saga, how that country is deeply engrossed in terrorism when coffins are taken with armed forces and military power and political power accompanying them. Justice done by Bharat to Sindur in sublimity. It is India's deepest ever cross-border strikes. A strike that was carefully, precisely calibrated to cause no damage except to the terrorist. This happened on May 2, 2011, when a global terrorist who planned, supervised, executed September 11 attack inside the US in 2001, he was dealt with by the US similarly. Bharat has done it, and done it to the knowledge of the global community.